Greetings, 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 and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now, give thanks for Najee Stewart, who bring the word for the last 2 days. We're doing a series on miracle signs and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples and his apostles throughout the books of Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, and Acts. We're doing this, and while we're doing it, we're building our faith day by day. Now, for our faith, mean for believe, right? But you ever stop to consider what it really mean to believe? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button now, drop a comment below, and share this video with at least one more person. And if you don't do it yet, may I invite you to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 18 from verse 35 to verse 43. Now, when Jesus catch near Jericho, one blind man did sit down at the roadside a beg. The man hear the crowd a pass and ask them a wagwan. Them tell him say, a Jesus we come from Nazareth a come. Him bawl out loud, Jesus, David Pickney, take pity upon me now. The one them we did a lead the way. Tell him to shut him out and tap his eyes. But him shout out louder, David Pickney, do take pity upon me now. Jesus stop and tell them to bring the man come. After the blind man come near, Jesus asked him, say, what you want me to do for you? Him say, Lord, make me see again. Jesus tell him, say, see there, you can't see again. You can't see cause you believe. Same time him could have see and him follow back at Jesus and praise God. After the people see what happened, them praise God too. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.